Hello friend, myself Dr. Devesh Mishra and I am going to tell you a very important topic, that is special staining for amyloidosis. Right, so this is the part 5 and here I am going to tell you about the important special stains for amyloid, which is not even given in Robbins. Right, so we can divide the special staining of the amyloid in two categories. Before I proceed, I would like to tell you about the amyloid, how it will be looking like on light microscopy. Light microscopy, it will be acellular, extracellular means outside the cell, pink, amorphous substances, right? So they are acellular, there will be no cell, they are pink in color, they are having extracellular location, and they are having amorphous. Amorphous means no morphology, random, right? It will be random structure, right? They're not having any proper shape and size. So let's start specific stain and non-specific stain. So specific stain, Congo red, second is methyl violet, third is crystal violet, and fourth is thioflavin T or S. So we'll remember Congo red, methyl violet, crystal violet, thioflavin T or S. Out of these, two are metachromatic stain, which is methyl violet and crystal violet. So remember, methyl violet and crystal violet, they are metachromatic, and amyloid will be looking rose pink in appearance. Which one is detected by UV light fluorescence? Examiner can ask you. So remember, Congo red, methyl violet, crystal violet, thioflavin T. So thioflavin T or S will be using UV light fluorescence to identify amyloid, and they will be looking green fluorescence, right? Which one is best for diagnosis? Which one is best for diagnosis? So remember, Congo red staining is best for diagnosis under polarized microscopy, not light microscopy. Please be careful. That was the AIMS question also, right? So best it will be diagnosed with the Congo red staining, not with the Congo red staining with the polarized microscopy, not with the light microscopy, right? Non-specific stain, there are three names you have to remember: Alcian, toluidine blue, Alcian blue, and PAS staining. Toluidine and Alcian blue, they will be showing you a blue color granule of the amyloid, and PAS staining will be showing you red or pink color. So let's see one by one. First of all, I am going to show you the Congo red staining, and that is under light microscopy, right? Under light microscopy, Congo red staining, what will be the color of amyloid? So now you can see these are all amyloid, right? This is the amyloid, and how is the color? It is the red in color, pink or red acellular extracellular material. So can you see this? All this pink color appearance, this is the extracellular, this is the renal biopsy, glomerular capillary, and between the capillary you can see extracellular acellular pink amorphous material, no morphology, right? No cell, acellular, extracellular, outside the cell. So amyloid deposit will be pink or red in color, but they are non-diagnostic. Why they are non-diagnostic? Why they are non-diagnostic? Because pink red color substances can be fibrin also, right? It can be collagen also, right? It can be hyaline substances also. So that is why these are some of the differentials for the amyloid on Congo red staining with the light microscopy. So it is not confirmatory. How we will confirm? We can confirm by using polarized microscopy. And when we are using polarized microscopy, you will observe a this one is the color, right? This one is the color you are seeing, and that is called as apple green birefringence. So this apple green birefringence will confirm the diagnosis of amyloidosis, right? So now you can understand Congo red staining, polarized microscopy, they will be giving you confirmation of the diagnosis, which will be looking apple green birefringence, right? Now coming to the thioflavin T, that's what I said. This is the fluorescent stain, right? This is the fluorescent stain, and here also you can see the green color appearance of the amyloid deposit, right? So fluorescent green amyloid deposits are present in the thioflavin T staining, right? Next is the toluidine blue stain, which is a metachromatic stain, and here you can see this is there are two glomeruli, and within this glomeruli you can notice these are all amorphous acellular extracellular blue deposits are seen. So these are the amorphous light blue deposits, which are the amyloid deposits in the toluidine blue staining, right? So toluidine blue stain is a metachromatic stain, and what will be the amyloid? Light blue color, right? Next, we are going to see crystal violet stain. Crystal violet stain is again a metachromatic stain, where it will be bright purple in color, and bright purple amorphous. So you can see these are the bright purple amorphous material which we are seeing here, right? So these are the bright purple amorphous material. So these are the amyloid which we are seeing on the crystal violet metachromatic stain, right? So now you can see, I'll just show you once again, these are all amyloid. Can you see? These are the bright purple, right? Bright purple amorphous material which we are seeing. These are all amyloid, right? Now coming to the methyl violet stain, amyloid deposit will be appearing rose pink. So now you can see this is the again kidney glomeruli, and you can see here there are rose pink color of the extracellular acellular amorphous amyloid material, right? So this is the rose pink deposit of the amyloid on methyl violet stain, right? So again, I am going to come back with the part 6, which will be for hematology stain. But if you want to subscribe my lecture, that entire pathology lecture, you can subscribe at the website, which is idpma.co.in. And for my pathology books and notes, you can subscribe, and you can purchase from the devanshpublication.com. And the most important is the YouTube link. So this is my YouTube link. Kindly subscribe this YouTube, where I am going to conduct many live lectures, right? Many live lectures I'm going to conduct, so it will be helpful for your all exam, INICT, FMG exam, or NEET PG exam, right? And this is my Telegram group where you can see all these lecture notes will be available, right? So this is special studying lecture notes will be available in the PDF format, so that you can revise through along with the videos, right? So thank you so much for listening, and best wishes to all of you.